We all have seen this reload domain window. Even though there is nothing in the screen, each time you hit the play button you have to wait. And if the project is complex, you have to wait for a long time. How do we get rid of this? It's simple. We go to Edit, Project Settings, go to Editor, scroll down, go to Enter Play Mode Settings, and we only choose Reload Scene Only. Hit the play button. Now it will run instantly. But this has a problem. Let me show you. The problem is if we have a static variable, hit save, and let's go back to Unity. If you hit the play button, you will see 1 here. If you stop and hit play again, you will see 2. Static variables aren't reset. There's a really easy way to solve this, and that is to create a function with an attribute RuntimeInitializeOnLoadMethod. This will run each time we hit the play button, even though the domain reload is disabled, and here we will simply do number equals 0, and this will reset it. Now if we go back to Unity, hit the play button, you will see it's 1. If I hit play again, it remains 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. See you next time.